Welcome back to another incredible tutorial about Windows PC features. And in this video, I want to update to you new features that have been added to Notepad in Windows PC that allow you to insert table into your Notepad in Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on your startup menu, and this is going to come up. Then navigate to Notepad. Then here you go. Now, for you to use the insert table features in Notepad, what you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. So you have different column right here. You have 5 by 5, 1 by, so just like so. You can decide to choose as many as possible table that you want. So once you select, just click OK, and then you have your table successfully inserted right here. Then you can start typing whatever you want to type into the table right here. Monday, Tuesday, tab, Wednesday, tab, Thursday, tab, and Friday. Okay, so you can go on and start editing the table, just like what you see right there. I can decide to highlight Monday and make it bold. I can decide and highlight Wednesday and make it bold. I can decide highlight Friday and make it bold. I can go on and start to work on my table right here. So this is a new incredible feature that was added to Notepad. So in the nearest future, Windows might add more format that allow you to do different kind of things with your table as far as table in Notepad is concerned. So if you want to add additional table, just go ahead and come back here, and then you can click on insert table right here. So you can decide to add a custom table as well. You can say I want to add 4 by 8 right here. Click on insert, then you have it right here without any stress. Press Ctrl Z. This allows you to go back. Then you can come back here and then decide to click on insert table. So I can decide to say I'm going to insert 5. I'm going to insert 10 by 4 right here, and I hit on insert. Then we have it right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about new features and how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.